वन, लेकिन स्टिल कंटेंट डिलीवर करना है तो करना है। बहुत थक चुके हैं, आज प्री ऑर्डर पे बहुत मैसिव रिस्पॉन्स था। अनफॉर्चुनेटली 512 पे फॉर्चुनेट भी है, ट्रैफिक इतना ज्यादा था कि हमारा AWS थोड़ा सा जवाब दे गया, आपका प्यार ही इतना था। तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पहले ही सरप्राइज छोड़ रहा हूँ आपके लिए। You must be acknowledged with this person, the bearded guy, प्रशांत मीना, जो कि this is सुप्रीत, हमारे BGC ग्रुप के ही पार्ट हैं। बट नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम आपको रिवील करेंगे the whole Indian context with Supreet and Prashant and Milestone, how they gonna entail in our projects. Now, here comes the first unboxing of Helium Pro Hotspot mining devices. So let's get started. We will give the honors to unbox this device to anybody. Supreet or Prashant. Let them have the enjoyment. Over to you. Waited so long. So this is the device powered by our only got by. This is basically an indoor unit. And yes, next level quality. The quality in itself speaks up, and we'll give you some glimpse of the outdoor unit itself. And Mr. Ashish, see, next video में आपको सब कुछ डिटेल में बताया जाएगा कि how we gonna project this, how we gonna channelize this whole concept, right? And आज मैं साइलेंट रहूँगा और सुप्रीत और प्रशांत क्वेश्चन करेंगे आशीष भाई। So let's get started.
चलिए गाइस, शुरू करते हैं अनबॉक्सिंग हमारे आउटडोर यूनिट की।
Great.
आशीष भाई,
देखो, हम सबको पता है, ट्राई टू बी एज लूसिड एज पॉसिबल सो दैट कि ये वीडियो एक बहुत अच्छी नॉलेजेबल कंटेंट बन पाए।
This is basically nothing more than just an outdoor antenna. We will connect the cable from here with the device to make it an outdoor unit. Now, this is the adapter for the unit. We will be using it with the help of a PoE injector and PoE splitter.
सर, PoE इंजेक्टर, देखो सर, बिल्कुल लूसिड होना है, क्लाइंट्स को पता लगना चाहिए कि व्हाट दे आर डूइंग सर।
PoE is like nothing, just a kind of power over Ethernet injector.
ओके सर।
It transfers the power over the Ethernet cable.
मतलब सर मोटा मोटी सी जो मैं समझ पा रहा हूँ कि इथरनेट वायर से ही वो
Power.
पावर ले लेगा, तो
Device को power करता है.
ओके ओके ओके, मतलब कि गाइस के आपको एक्स्ट्रा कॉर्ड लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो जो लैन केबल होती है ना, उसी से पावर ले लेगा, राइट सर?
Right.
सर, ये आइटम बड़ी यूनिक सी है, ये व्हाट इज दिस सर?
This is a part of accessories which we'll be using for connecting the cables from indoor to outdoor.
ओके, गॉट इट सर। एंड प्रोबेबली सर ये जो यूनिट है ये भी अटैचमेंट ही है, राइट सर?
Right, it is an attachment plugging the cables with waterproofing. Because the casing is IP67 graded, so it is necessary to protect the holes you get the water.
सर, इफ यू डोंट माइंड सर, बिल्कुल लेमन क्वेश्चन हो गया, बट कईयों का सर हो सकता है क्वेश्चन बड़ा छोटा नहीं होता सर। व्हाट इज सर IP67? बड़ा वो
IP67 is a grade of water protection, like waterproofing and sun heat proofing, that kind of protection. And IP67 is one of the most reliable. Like IP68 is also there, but IP67 is very much sufficient for this product. We will be protecting it from rainwater and any kind of wind, dust, and everything with the help of this casing.
Okay, now this is something really big. Oh my god. I don't know guys if you can feel the quality of it, but yes,
It is really hard and sturdy and
it is.
heavy.
Yes, it's great build. So now please explain this. Now obviously this is a outdoor unit, like this is enclosure.
This is the outdoor enclosure for our hotspot.
Okay.
As you can see the ports here. These all will be the injectors for putting the wires inside, the necessary wires. And this is the LAN port. Basically, the LAN port is sufficient enough for our purpose. But there are additional ports available for any kind of modulation to which we can do in the devices. Right now, what we will be supplying will be compatible with only one port. So we will just plug this port and we will be able to power the device as well as the Ethernet. And this will be used for mounting the antenna outside that.
ओके देखो आशीष भाई थोड़े फास्ट हो गए मैं गरीब बच्चों को समझाता हूँ जितना मेरे को समझ आया ये जो लैन केबल है इससे जो हम अटैचमेंट दे रहे हैं इसी से ये पावर ले लेगा डिवाइस सो बेसिकली ये आउटडोर यूनिट है आउटडोर यूनिट को पावर देने के लिए अपने को अडेप्टर लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है ठीक है एंड दीज आर फॉर एंटीनास एंड एवरीथिंग एंड सी हाउ दिस इज केसेस एंड बॉन्डेड बिकॉज़ ऑब्वियसली दिस इज एन आउटडोर यूनिट राइट सो आउटडोर यूनिट तो बाहर ही रहेगा एज द बोर्ड एक्सप्लेन तो इस चीज को आप रेन के अंदर हर चीज के अंदर रहेगा तो इट शुड बी स्टडी
And it is very much secure.
okay
Heavy duty.
so some people were posting some boxes kind of I don't think so sir that is valid right
It depends on the customer, but we don't suggest anything which is not certified. IP67 is what minimum we ask. They can use any device, any kind of outdoor facing, but it should be at least IP67. If it is below that, it will risk the life of the device.
okay so ज्यादा पंगे नहीं लेने अपने डिवाइसेस से राइट also there are more units this looks interesting PoE adapter PoE injector okay so there's one power socket here and two kind of LAN cables right sir samjhaiye what is this
This is nothing more than just a power supply unit for the outdoor device. When we put in the data from here, it will give us data and power combined, which will supply to the outdoor unit, and there will be a splitter installed. It will simply split the current and data again and supply both things separately to the device. The splitter will be installed in the outdoor facing.
so basically यहाँ से ये पावर ले रहा है okay? एक पोर्ट से ये अपना कनेक्टिविटी ले रहा है एंड यहाँ से इंजेक्ट कर रहा है दैट इज व्हाई इट्स कॉल्ड PoE इंजेक्टर विद पावर राइट दैट्स समथिंग ग्रेट Now these are some attachments. I don't think so कि इसकी explanation की जरूरत है. These are adapters. Now this is to power up this device that is PoE injector, right? Now this is something great. They have integrated the clamps also. If I'm not wrong, these are clamps, right?
Right, these are clamps to mount the device on the pole properly.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what is this?
This is the insulation tape. After we put the device inside the casing, we will seal it with this.
Okay.
So that there should be no leakage or no drops of water going inside. Absolutely zero.
Okay, that's something great, sir.
Yeah, and the device is also made like it will reflect the heat outside because it is made with white color. So white color don't absorb the heat. It will
Oh my
reflect
God.
it. So
Oh my God.
yeah, definitely it will be heated, but it will try to reflect the heat back with the help of the color to the maximum extent possible.
So basically, black absorbs the more heat. इसीलिए हम गर्मियों के अंदर ना काले रंग का कपड़ा नहीं पहनते हैं. हम लाइट शेड्स के कपड़े पहनते हैं क्योंकि वो हीट एब्जॉर्ब नहीं करता. That is the reason why it is white. So that is a great point. However, science बड़ी है, but sometimes you can't apply it. So great help. And these are clamps again. Very beautiful. Okay, there are more units. Oh my God, this is a complete kit, sir, right?
Right, complete kit for every mounting thing.
Okay.
You need not to buy anything for mounting on a pole or a wall or anywhere.
So I guess this is sturdy enough, like.
Yes, it is for making additional protection for the device. So it should not going anywhere, even with any kind of natural wind or any
Okay.
animal impact.
सर काफी बंदों का क्वेश्चन था कि What about monkeys? बंदरों को क्या
It
करें?
will try to protect the maximum possible.
So this is a complete kit, sir. Now these are another set of clamps, right?
So, right. These are optional accessories. If we are mounting the antenna separately on the wall, these will help out.
Okay, so what we'll do is we'll mount the antenna another way and it will mount there, right?
Exactly.
Right. Now this is another set.
Yeah, it is like just complementing both each other because we need both of them to mount on a pole.
Actually, it is good to indicate in this the complete whole set because it is best if we get everything.
Exactly. The user should not feel anything like he is not having to immediately plant the device once he receives it. What our target is, once you receive the courier, you should plant it immediately.
Yeah.
So as soon as possible.
Because see, from tape to everything is included, so that is something great, which I really like personally. Because as a client, if I say, मेरे पास device है, ये छोटी-छोटी चीजें मेरे लिए buy करना would be really difficult, right? And yes, these things are required because many of the I handle marketing, so I know people ask like, sir, बंदर का क्या करेंगे? हम क्या बोले बंदर का क्या करेंगे? But yes, this is the answer. Great. So last but not the least. Okay, now it's wholesome knowledge. What is this, sir?
This is the connector cord which will connect the antenna from the unit. Like what we'll do is we will just use that accessory I showed you earlier. We'll just use the help of that to connect this cable with our indoor unit. We'll just install this with these connectors in the outdoor mounting kit and then we'll connect the indoor unit and the device is good to go.
Oh my god.
And this cable is tested for the minimum latency possible.
Now what is latency? Latency, sir, एक बार latency और explain कर दीजिए.
Latency is kind of you say delay in transmission of data packages.
So what you're getting is premium quality outdoor unit. And trust me guys, हर बंदा यही मांगता है because I handle clients on the front desk also. So client को सर कुछ नहीं चाहिए, he is ready to pay premium also, but उसको ना एक whole package है, उसे pay नहीं चाहिए. So I really like this. And sir, I was inquiring somewhere this thing, like what is this? Is this a design or a pattern, or it has some functionality also?
This part is made of aluminium. Aluminium takes out the heat from anything. It is a good conductor of heat or temperature, you say. So it will act dually, like it will be acting as a heat sink as well as it is giving the beauty to the device. So the device will not be, the chips inside the device will not be excessively heated because this heat sink is very heavy, heavy enough. It will soak all the heat from the processor and from all the chips inside.
Great, sir, great. So guys, hope you liked the first unboxing of an outdoor unit, Hotspot Helium Pro Minus. And stay tuned, आपको सुप्रीत नहीं Prashant and Supreet, both of these guys will have a major role to play in many of the players like these will entail. And we will explain you the whole purpose of how to develop this network and how we're going to achieve this. We have designed each and everything. Our team, we have currently more than 45 people working in and out, and more than 13 channel partners. And sorry, not channel partners, they are channel developers. Okay, and more than 48 channel partners right now entailed in our project. And yes, we'll be opening the queries for, we will be giving holistic details how this network gonna be operating. And trust me, this is a foolproof plan. Stay tuned, sir, and enjoy. Take care.